An infant seat is a specific type of rear-facing restraint designed to be used when your child is a baby. These seats have a handle and they snap into a base that's securely attached to the vehicle. The base can be installed either using latch or the vehicle seatbelt. When placing the seat in the base, make sure it's at the correct recline angle. If you're traveling without the base, you can also secure the infant seat alone to the vehicle. Always make sure the harness straps are at or below your baby's shoulders when they're riding in their infant seat. Before you know it, your baby will have outgrown the infant seat and be ready for a convertible seat in the rear-facing position, which they should stay in until at least age 2.